Good morning. Welcome to Nightmare on Elm Street, Part 10. This is the way these apartments have gone from the get-go. We take one step forward and we take two backwards. The insides were just completely, they were all but done. I mean, we're just putting door handles on, touching up painting, just doing last stuff. Appliances that were delivered yesterday. And so we come to the point that we're ready to pour the pads on each side of the building for the units that are going to sit here. The air conditioner unit. The water has been turned off in these units because we didn't need it. There's no toilets, there's no sinks, there's nothing in there that we would need water for. Then, you know, we're not here at night and things like that. There's nobody here. So just to cut down on the dangers of having a water leak or something like that, I just had the water turned off. So a few weeks ago, I know the video where I showed you the inside, I showed you that we had custom cabinets built. So the water has not been on since the custom cabinets have been built. So yesterday we get ready to pour the pads, and I need to turn the water on in this unit here so we can have water to mix concrete. We turn the water on, and apartments A and B, this is B, water's coming out of the walls, running all over the floors, running everywhere. So what we discover is when these cabinets were built, a nail went through and hit right back here and knocked a hole in the line. So that's where we were at. It was chaos here yesterday. We had an electrician here, appliances were delivered. I got another guy that's been helping me do some stuff underneath this. My two regular guys are here. And it was just chaos, and there was no way that I could pick the camera up and video in that. I just wasn't going to whatsoever. So now we've got to put sheetrock back in, sand it, make more dust. When these things have they've been lightly touched up as far as cleaning, and it's been a mess. That's all I can just tell you. It's been this way through this whole thing. It is just really an undertaking. And just like the water lines, you know, the guys putting the custom cabinets in, I just didn't think about it. You know, I take the blame for it. I didn't think about the water lines being up in that wall because they go upstairs. I've only got, I think, 3 houses that have an upstairs, and only one of them's got a bathroom in it. And I just didn't even think about it. Just didn't even think about it. So I take the blame for it. And I may come across a little down, and I am a little down. I didn't sleep good last night, and I've been dealing with that a whole lot coming through this project of not sleeping good at night, waking up 1, 2 o'clock and being up for the rest of the night because I get all this stuff on my mind. But I had gotten past that, and in the last few weeks I've been really sleeping good at night, sleeping all night. And because we were nearing the end of this, the insides were probably going to be done at least by next week, end of next week. And we was ready to come outside and start tidying things up, do landscaping on the little house. And so the pressure had relieved. And so what this does is when you do this water leak, you know, we're going to make more dust in there now. We've got to do sheetrocking in that. Of course, it's not a lot. It is in the bathroom, but you got to realize we had kind of done a light cleaning, and A, B, C, they were pretty much done, and they were just finishing up on D. And, but that doesn't take away that me and my wife are super proud of these. We're tickled to death about them. Hoping to go up, if I can get a time in the next couple of weeks. There's a new development being developed in a larger town from here. I know the girl that's the secretary there that handles the leasing of those units, and it's a big outfit. It's a huge outfit. It's It's what I might attempt to do if I was loaded and had money. But we're just going up to look, and they've offered to give us a tour of the place, let us look at their leasing process, their application process, because Christy and I are wanting to try to do a really good job on application, picking the right people for these units. And so we're just going up to look at that. And if I do, and they give me permission, I'll video it. If they don't give me permission, I might just do a little snippet here and there, but show nobody or show nothing. I'll just ask if they give me permission to video a little bit. But anyway, we're looking to go up and do that in 2 or 3 weeks. Like I said, it's a huge development. Close to 1,000 units, swimming pool, workout room, you know, all of that kind of amenities. But we just wanted to go up and really kind of get a hands-on of how they go about doing their applications and their leasing and leases and things like that. That's really all that's going to be of this video, probably right here. I'm hoping I can get away from here today, maybe 2 or 3 o'clock, and go. My new mower's in. You're going to see a video on that. But just to go get on the mower, do some weed eating, some mowing, that's my relaxation time, my downtime, my time away from this. And I had gotten to really looking forward to these things coming to the end, because my wife and I have been talking about it, and I was going to start probably working maybe 4 days a week and just working half days, maybe working 8 to 12 or something like that on most days that I don't have emergencies. I'm just getting older. My knee's breaking down. My body's getting older. And my wife and I just talking about, she's doing that and not working as many days, not working full days. And so she's really been trying to encourage me to start doing that. And so I was so looking forward to that. And this just pushes it back a few more weeks. I just wanted to give you some real life, real world of what goes on in this. And I think I could do better maybe next time, because now that I've been through this once, maybe I could do better the next time if I decide to do this again. I thank you for watching. Man, the comments that have come in have been so nice and so kind, so encouraging, and I appreciate that so much. And I appreciate your love you send back to me and your encouragement you send back. And I know I'm not the best in the world at this and editing and putting videos together, but y'all, the way you comment back, it's like I'm a superhero at it. God loves you. Jesus died for you. I really enjoy making videos and kind of give you a look into this from time to time. Y'all have a blessed day.